Hello, this is Dutchman420 again. In my last video, I was talking about maybe possibly getting rid of the fox farm newts and synthetic newts and switching to something organic. I'm not sure. Should I stay or should I go? Well, let's see. And boom! There it is. I already made up my mind. It's here. I got the Olympus up, Hades down, and then basically they call it the Spartan series. If you look up the Spartan nutrient schedule online, you'll see what I'm talking about. They explain what it is. The Spartans believed in like sparse shit, I guess. It's the basic shit is what it is. It's the cheap fucking basic line. And you can normally get like a starter kit. It comes with Olympus up with it. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles. You don't get Hades down because you probably don't use it that much. But I just got 4 bottles. I think this is like $10 more if you get this. I think this shit's like 17 bucks anyway. It's not that much. So, anyway, I decided to go with it, man. One of the things that kind of swayed me is Scott Oslander's also a Dutchman, so I was kind of looking at him and I kind of thought about it, and I'm a Dutchman. So I looked up the last name origins and it's Dutch. It means from the east side. But, so I'm not going to start on these yet. I'm going to wait until the end of the crop that I got, finish off with what I got, and start with these, and go from there. I just wanted to let everybody know that I did switch. Some of these labels are fucking trippy, man. Look at this shit. And on the back they got the basic information. This is the bone meal stuff that everybody's raving about. So I decided to go. Anyway, somebody wrote in my comments that if you got something that works, you know, in other words, don't fix it if it ain't broke. But in a way, it is kind of broke, you know. I'm constantly fucking with pH. I'm constantly driving my pH lower. It's just, I don't know. I thought about it, and I wanted to try this, so I'm giving it a try. So, this is Dutchman420 saying, keep on growing and